Good morning, friends. In this particular video of mine, I would like to proceed further and showcase to you as to how to format the line type. Okay, now using the same and continuing with the same example, I have completed in showcasing to you as to how to go ahead and arrange for a particular series of numbers, then how to invoke a function and how to label the graph, how to go ahead and plot for the x label and y labels, and later on I showed you even how to go ahead and format the line color. In this, I'll be showcasing to you as to how to proceed further with the line type formatting, and it's a simple code. PLT, that is the package dot plot is my function. Within the bracket, I'll be taking up my both the data frames which are present xy, and start off with this particular symbol, a very simple symbol that I have taken. And the moment you go ahead and run the code, you will see that you would be getting this particular graph in front of you, and you can see that yes, it is taking place of the shape of that particular thing that I have given. Now let's try and see what happens if I take up this particular symbol. Okay, the arrow that I have got. Now here you will see that yes, there are differences in both of my graphs that I have already taken care with two different arrows. Now I want with full stop. Okay, and now the moment I have taken care, it is taking and I get this kind of I should say the graph. Now after that I want to take care with zero, and I want to find out whether I can get that or not. And here the moment I have done with zeros, you can see that yes, I have got circles instead of dots or something else. So this is the one. Now I want to see with a minus sign. Okay, it has a meaning attached to it, therefore it will not be considering it, and I will be unsuccessful in running my code. Similarly, let's try with the other symbols also, and it becomes very difficult. Now you will see that yes, the moment I take underscore rather than minus, it is able to showcase the graph and plot the points also for me. Similarly, with the plus sign, I'm able to do. With star sign, I'm able to take care of it. With dots, yes, we have shown. Now if I want to change the color of these things, let's see whether I can do the formatting for these colors also at this point or not. Now here you will see that no, I have to render it as a separate line of coding. In my later video of mine, I will show it to you that whether I can plot both the formatting of the line color as well as line type, or it has to be taken care as separate codings also or not. So I'm going to stop here and let me come up with yet another one. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.